ancient Yoruba techniques to unlock a powerful mind. In the heart of ancient Yoruba land, long before pens touched paper, there existed a group of scholars whose minds were feared and admired. Men who carried entire libraries inside their heads. They memorized 256 Odù Ifá, each containing hundreds, sometimes thousands of poetic verses, proverbs, stories, chants, and coded wisdom. No notebooks, no ink, just the human brain, sharpened to its highest potential. Today, you will learn their secrets. Welcome to Ifá Memory Mastery. The Yoruba mind was trained for memory. The ancient Yoruba understood something modern people often forget. A sharp mind is not born, it is trained. To them, memory was not a talent, it was a skill. Children were raised in an oral tradition. Proverbs at dawn, folk tales at night, drumming patterns at ceremonies, praise poetry at festivals. Everything was designed to stretch the mind's capacity to hold information. The Ifá priesthood was simply the PhD level of this training. The Odù matrix, a mental filing system. Ifá uses 256 Odù arranged in geometric patterns. Each pattern is a memory address, like a mental folder. This is similar to modern memory palace methods, but far more advanced. The Yoruba used symbolic clustering. Number 1, visual memory. Each Odù has a symbol. Ẹsẹ̀ Ifá marks. Priests visualize the pattern and the verses appear in their minds. Number 2, story memory. Odù are tied to stories, and humans remember memories better than facts. 3, proverb memory. Each Odù contains proverbs that act as memory hooks. 4, emotional memory. Verses are tied to emotions: joy, conflict, fear, victory. Emotion strengthens recall. 5, rhythmic memory. The verses are chanted in a rhythm. Rhythm is one of the Yoruba's greatest memory technologies. Modern scientists agree. Rhythm increases retention by up to 300%. Yoruba already knew this. Another one, drum encoding. The talking drum as a memory device. The talking drum, gongon, is not just an instrument. It is a portable memory bank. Each beat imitates Yoruba tone speech, meaning the drum can literally speak poetry and verses. Ifá priests used the drum to memorize long sequences, to practice recall, to reinforce rhythm, to trigger stored verses in the mind. Today, we might call this auditory mnemonic reinforcement, but to the Yoruba, it was simply tradition. Another one is breathe, calm, and concentration. One forgotten Yoruba technique is Ifarabale, deep calm and centeredness. Before reciting, an Ifá priest breathes deeply, grounds their feet, touches the Ikin sacred palm knot, focuses the mind into silence. This activates the brain's prefrontal cortex, improving recall, concentration, clarity, emotional stability. Yoruba memory was spiritual and neurological. So another one is Ofo, the power of repetition and vibration. Ofo are Yoruba incantations, but they are also cognitive training, memory sharpening tools, verbal meditation. Repeating verses strengthens neural pathways. Repetition, rhythm, deep memory. The Yoruba believed the world is alive. Scientifically, vibration improves focus and information storage. Another one is the secret, meaning before memorization. Modern students make a mistake. They memorize before understanding. Yoruba Ifá priests flip the process. First, comprehend the meaning, then memorize the structure. Many creates emotional anchors. Emotion creates memory. Memory creates wisdom. This is how they remembered thousands of verses for life. Now, applying Ifá memory secrets today. If you want a sharper mind, the ancient Yoruba offer you 5 tools. Number 1, visualize your information. Create mental symbols like the 256 Odù. 2, use rhythm. Read, chant, or study with a beat. 3, repeat with intention. Ofo teaches controlled repetition. 4, calm the mind. Practice Ifarabale, deep breathing plus grounding. 5, attach meaning. Ask, why does this matter? When you combine these 5, your memory becomes something different. Not just stronger, limitless. This is the wisdom of Ifá. This is the ancient Yoruba mind. This is your heritage.